Are you a college student in India looking to make money online in 2025? You don't need to invest money. You don't need to show your face. You just need your phone or laptop and some consistency. Here are 5 real ways you can start earning from the comfort of your room, starting today. The first method is freelancing. You can offer services like graphic design, resume writing, social media content, and more. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let you list your skills for free. I once got paid 300 rupees just for designing a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Learn one skill. Start small. Grow from there. The second way is content creation, without showing your face. Create short videos using CapCut, generate voiceovers with AI tools like Narakeet or ElevenLabs, and post on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or Pinterest. You can grow an audience, get brand deals, or earn from creator funds. Many pages earn just by reposting content and staying consistent. Third, sell digital products. Design a resume template in Canva or make a study guide, planner, or ebook. Platforms like Gumroad and Payhip let you upload and sell without upfront cost. Every time someone downloads your product, you earn. This is real passive income, money even when you sleep. Number 4, use AI tools to make money. You can use ChatGPT to write Instagram captions or blog posts and combine it with Canva to design social media content. Then offer it as a service on Fiverr or sell it on social platforms. AI saves time. People pay for time saving, so provide that. And finally, affiliate marketing. Sign up for Amazon Associates or Meesho affiliate programs. You'll get unique product links. When someone buys using your link, you earn a small commission. You can share these links in WhatsApp groups, Instagram bios, or even YouTube video descriptions. So that's how you can make money online in India, even as a college student, with no investment and no camera. Start small. Stay consistent. Comment below if you're going to try any of these. And don't forget to subscribe for more real, faceless income ideas.